So here we are at part 3 of our video of getting the Apache server up and running. Part 1 we did our basic install and our preconditions. In part 2 we worked with the file system to allow the permissions for our website and create a default index.html document. Now in this video what we want to do is we want to test it. So I've had to do this video a couple times because the first time or two I did get cached content, and I'm trying this time to not let that happen. And so if we remember what we did for our website, we should be able to recognize it here. I did a longer description than I've done in my testing for the video. Okay, that looks good. That is the most recent. So that is non-cache content. All right, so we're good. The Linux server can find it, its own web page. Now we step outside of the Linux server. We're going to go over to DC1. DC1 adds the firewall on the Linux server between DC1 and LNX, and then we would step outside onto the internet. That would put in our pfSense box and its port forwarding rule, and also DNS will come into play. We need to be sure that www.ak.bobstaco.com is resolvable from the internet. So each time we step further away from the web server, we're testing more and more things. So let's go over to DC1 and bring up Internet Explorer. See if we can paste that in there. There we go. So we're good there as well. And this is where I kept getting cached content, but that looks like the real thing. So we're good. The next step, which we need to do, I'll need to VPN into home or get off campus somehow and come back in and test it. And again, I'm testing more than just the website. The website we know works. From the internet, I'll be testing that DNS works for www. I'll also be testing that my port forwarding rule on pfSense is set correctly. And once we've verified it from the internet, then we're done. We're good. So we have a win. This may be your first web server you've installed. Congratulations to you. So we'll go ahead and wrap up this video.